Solar fields demand a different kind of mower, one built for wet ground, rough terrain, and tight spaces. They demand the Altoz TRX 766 tracked zero-turn mower. The TRX track system goes where wheeled mowers can't. Wet conditions? No problem. Challenging terrain? Bring it on. The TRX stays planted on slopes and keeps moving where others may sink, slide, or spin. The 66-inch all-terrain deck features 6 pivoting swing blades and rear discharge, delivering consistent, professional results every time. The TerraFlex commercial-grade tracks spread out the weight distribution for less compaction. Their tread pattern provides the traction needed to conquer soft ground and slopes. Zero-turn agility lets the TRX navigate tight rows, pivot in place, and keep moving to finish the job without wasting time or motion. Need more reach? The optional 16-inch deck wing extension cuts under panels and covers more ground, saving hours of trim work. The TRX is built for all-day comfort and control. A 12-way adjustable suspension seat, TerraFlex front suspension, and torsion axle rear suspension absorb the bumps, keeping operators fresh and focused. The elevated seat provides a clear, wide-angle view of the surroundings, ideal for spotting obstacles and trimming with precision. This is not just a theory. Contractors across the country trust the Altoz TRX to knock out thousands of acres of solar fields. It's rugged, it's efficient, it's the right tool for the job. The Altoz TRX, built for solar, built to perform. Contact your Altoz dealer or visit altoz.com/TRX. Do more, go further. Altoz.